Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku with 0 stars. Not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, May the 24th, 2023, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the yesterday's newspaper, the Tuesday edition, May the 23rd, 2023, and we have two puzzles left: the tectonic with 1 star and the Sudoku with 0 stars, and this one will be number 6486. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29 printed digits. Definitely a 0 stars. Sudoku. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? The number 8 in this column, 8 in the middle columns. Oh, we already have 8 here. 8. Well. Let me start with the other digit then. 3. Come on. We have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there, 4. 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 8, yes. Now I can continue with 8 for 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these two boxes here, and 8 in this column, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, no, the two places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 3. Okay, 3. Well, in this column, well, no. Let me think. We have a 8. Come on. This is taking too long. 1. The 3. 3, 2. We have 3 here, 2, and 6 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, so one digit left in this big square for number 2. Right. Need a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 7, 6. 3 and 9. Well, interesting. 5. Yeah. 8. Okay. And now. Come on. This is taking too long. 5. Yeah. 3 missing number. No. 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. How about here? 2, 9. No. Hey, come on. Missing the numbers here. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in these two boxes here. 7 in the first row, no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in one of those two boxes. In the second row, so in the third row, the only two places left with 7 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 4, 4. 3 in this row, third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, there are only two places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. 3, 6, the 9. 3, 6, 9, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these two boxes here. 1 in the last row, no 1 in those two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1. 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, we have a pair. Yeah, 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, and a 5 in this row. We have 1 and a 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So I need a 6 here. I need a 6 here. Okay, need a 8. 5. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. 7. 1. 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 4 here. 4. Need a 4 there. Need an 8 here. 8. No, 8. Need an 8 there. Overlook something. 7 here. Let me put some numbers. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between only two places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next on that column. Only two places left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. Need a 9 or so here. 5. Need a 5 here. 5. 5. No, 8, 9, and a 2. 8, 9, 2. Here can be 2. Okay. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is the number 2. In this row. We have a 2 in the third column. No 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in this row. 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the first column, the only two places left for the 2 could be here, could be there. So what are these 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 159. 159 in the middle row. We have a 1 and a 5 in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So this box should be at 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. 1, 5, and an 8. Well, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So only place level 8 in this big square, should be there. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Let me mark those, 1 and a 5. Here we have a pair. Okay, here we have also 1 and a 5. 2 missing numbers, the 2 and the 8. Yeah, 2 and the 8. Here can mean 8. We have an 8 here. So the 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Do we have all the 8s? No. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, no need to place level 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see digital 1, number 8. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the row below. So last row, don't need to place level. The 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6, 6, alright. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. I've marked those 2 boxes, elevator 3. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in the last column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. Okay, 2 numbers left. 9 and a 5. Yeah. No. 9 and a 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes elevator 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers here, the 1 and the 5, I believe, yeah. 7 and 2 are missing here. 7 and 2, yeah, in this column. 2 missing numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this one, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2, 2. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers here. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6 we can mark those. Here, 1 and the 5 are missing here. Do we have all the 7s? 7, 7, no, 7, 7. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. Okay, 6, 7, 9. Cannot fill this yet. 6, 7, and need a 5, 5, 5. Need a 3, 3, 3. Need a 2, 2, 2, 2. Here we need a 2. Here we need a 2. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, no, need to place level 2, could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, no, need to place level 2, could be here, could be there. That means I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Here can be 2, because it's reserved for the 2, well, for those 2s. We need a 2 actually in the third row. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, or there. You see a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. Here, 2 in the second column, no 2 there. So the only place level 2 should be there. Here can be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have 6 and 9 this column. No 6, 9. This box 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As pair 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So this box should be for the 5. Yeah, the 5. Yeah, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Come on. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9 are missing here. No 9 here. Yeah. So the 9 should be here. For the 9. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in one of those two boxes in this box, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be 9. So 1 box left in the third row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this column. No. 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6 are missing here. 1 and the 6. Okay. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first one, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between them in the column. Only place left for the 6 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there, finish in 70 minutes. Not really a 0 star. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. Need more than 50 minutes to solve this. Interesting puzzle. 2 stars with 0. Actually, it's just 0 stars. But I will indicate this with 2 stars. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later for the last puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.